G'day guys, it's Barry from Roadrunner Off-Road. We're out here today at Bindaree Station in Victoria. We're really excited. We've got the MAXXIS Mud Trep. It's the 9060 and they're the first set that we know of that are in Australia, and they measure up at 954mm. The gauge for CCA is 950mm, so they need to be carved down about 2mm, and they'll fit through the gauge and can be used in the winch challenge scene. So we're really excited. We're going to put them through their paces today and see how they go.